welcome this video. Front yard privacy idea. Create a schedule. Outdoor space. Your front yard is an extent of your home. Provide us opportunity to create a welcome and aesthetic place space. However, main entrance privacy in this area can be challenged if you live in the popular neighborhoods or need by state. Those are numbering away to enhance your front yard privacy without compromising on beauty or cub appear. Here are some privacy create idea to help your create a more schedule outdoor space. Leaf fence and hashing. One of the most natural way to add privacy to your front yard is by use living fence and hustles like woodbox and growing. Provide a lush gardening that can black view with add charm to your landscape. Bamboo is also a fast growing idea of create a tail effect privacy screen providing a static appear with natural beauty. Provide shade and red noise. requested main entrance and time. Task the time to growing and become full effective. Decoration fence install a style fence can be an excellent solve of front yard privacy, like wood fence panel, iron with cleavage, even modern salt fence can often while complete your home extend borrowing install privacy solved various of style and material available can be customization to make the home aesthetic. Can be example depends on your material. Pergola. A pergola at the enhance of your front yard or over set area can create a same provide retreat add hen plants or climax when can enhance privacy. Add an architecture elements to your yard can be customized with our plants. Provide shade and salt. Provide wall and fan panel. Fresh and privacy wall or decoration panel make of wood material or composite material can create a solid front yard area. Those can be installed. The Promax set space for extend screen provide an privacy solved come in various style and material.